Hello all, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to construct involute of a circle. So let me read the question first. Draw the involute of a circle of 30 mm diameter. Draw the tangent and normal at any point on the curve. So this is the question. Let's see how to draw the involute. Okay. So first I have drawn the circle for the diameter of 30 mm and I have drawn the axis for that. Next, I am going to divide the circle into 8 divisions. So I have divided the circle into 8 divisions. Next, you need to identify the point at which the string is tied. So I am going to consider this as the point. I am going to name this as with capital P. Next, you need to decide whether the involute is going to generate in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So I am going to assume it in the clockwise direction. So we need to number in the same way. So I am going to name this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the point P will be my point 8. Okay. Next, at the point in which the thread is tied, from there we need to draw the horizontal line for the distance of circumference of the circle. We need to draw a horizontal line from point P. So something like this. The horizontal line for point P. So the horizontal line can be considered as a tangent for point P. Okay. So the distance of horizontal line is 84.2 mm. Next, you need to divide the horizontal line into 8 divisions. So I have divided that line into 8 divisions using dividing a line into n equal parts method. So next you need to name these points. I'm going to name this as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. So next what you need to do is, similar to this horizontal line, you need to draw the tangents from all the identified points. Okay. So something like this. So I have drawn the tangents from all the points. So something like this. Okay. Next what you need to do is, so the distance between capital P and 1 dash is the radius and 1 as the center. You need to make an arc on the tangent passing through point 1. So I will repeat again. So the distance between P to 1 dash as the radius, 1 as the center, you need to mark an arc on the tangent passing through point 1. So I have done something like this. So then you need to name this point as capital P1. Okay. Similarly, you need to do this process. You need to repeat this process for all the other points. So you will get arcs something like this on the tangents from all the points. Okay. So next you need to name this point. So next, similar to this, I have named this as P1, right? Similar to that, you need to name the other points. So this will be my P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7 and 8 dash will be your P8. Okay. So after that, we need to sequentially connect all the points from P2, P1, P2, P3, P4 till P8. So you need to do something like this. If you connect smoothly, you will get something like this. Okay. So next, the second part of the question is to draw the normal and tangent at any point on the curve. Okay. So let's choose a point. Okay. Let's choose this as my point. Okay. And I'm going to name the as capital M. So what you need to do is, you need to connect the point M to the center of the circle, that is O. You will get something like this. So then you need to find the midpoint of this OM line. Okay. So I have found the midpoint of that OM line. So let's name this as O dash. Okay. So you can use any convenient method to find the midpoint. So after finding the midpoint, so keeping that midpoint as the center and the radius is the distance between, so distance between O and M as the radius, we need to make a semicircle, something like this. We will get a semicircle, something like this. Okay. So that semicircle will get somewhere on your base circle. Okay. So look at here, this semicircle cuts somewhere on your base circle. Now look at this point. So that semicircle cuts between 6 and 7, and look at the point M. So even that point M is also between point P6 to P7. Okay. If you choose between P5 to P6, then that semicircle will cut between 5 to 6. Likewise, so to the corresponding position of the point chosen, the arc will cut the base circle. Okay. So from that point, so this is a point. So from that point, you connect the M. So that will be your normal, and if you draw perpendicular to that, that will be your tangent, and this will be T dash N dash. And or to the left hand side, you need to show the calculations, something like this. Okay. Next, you need to dimension two things. One is the diameter of the base circle. So you choose, because there are 8 divisions, right? You choose any one of those divisions. And mention the diameter of the circle, something like this. So the diameter is 530. Next, the distance between P to A dash, that need to be mentioned. Okay. Mention the distance, that is 94.2. Okay. In the corner, you mention the T dash as tangent. N dashes